Alright guys, a 6-year-old starting a business. Alright, tell them.
Batteries almost in
Go. We're gonna tell you to bring the more customers?
Hello, so I wanted to bring more customers to your business, so I was watching some videos, and I wanted to bring some customers, so I don't know, you can ask your boss if I could come, and if you want to leave my phone number, it's 646-750-6493.
I'm not understanding. What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to bring customers to your business, so
Are they booking appointments? They want to make appointments?
yeah.
Okay, so when do they want to make the appointments for?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow I have an 8:45 and a 10:15.
Okay, that's good.
What time?
Is 2:15 good?
I'm sorry?
Is 2:15 good?
I don't have a 10:15. I have an 8:45 and a 10:15.
So can I get that time?
Which time?
The one that you said?
The 8:45 or the 10:15? Which one?
The 10:15.
Okay, what's the telephone number?
646-750-6493.
What's the first name?
Anabeth.
I'm sorry?
Anabeth?
Anabeth?
Yeah.
Last name?
Gordillo.
Spell it?
What?
Spell it?
No, Anabeth.
What's the last name?
Gordillo.
What is she getting done?
What?
What is the service getting done? Hello?
What?
What you guys offer?
Hello?
Hello? What do you guys offered?
You do waxing?
Okay, waxing.
What kind of waxing? You do underarms, you do Brazilian,
Brazilian.
Brazilian?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it?
Yeah. Bye. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye.
You see, it's important to learn how to spell your last name.
She hit you with the hard question. You're spelling your last name. That was good. You got an appointment.
Well, you have to go. I'm not going.
I was literally.
You did good.
I couldn't laugh.
I'm so sorry. Melissa called me. I'm gonna call her back.